What is up guys, it's Fabian from the Jansen channel, and in today's video we took the ferry from Malta to the smallest island, Comino. Here we explored the island and of course the Blue Lagoon. So we have just arrived on Comino, the smallest island of Malta. Right over there is Gozo. Down there in the bay is the Blue Lagoon, but this is the second Blue Lagoon. The other one is just behind that hill. And we are now going to walk. But because it's the smallest island, what the roads look like. So I'm probably the only tourist once again that is going to walk this way. But yeah, we will see. I will just check out something on the island. I believe it's called the Santa Maria Tower, and then I'm going to chill at the Blue Lagoon, but I was like, I have to visit this island as well, otherwise I've only been here for the Blue Lagoon. So yeah. St. Mary's Tower opened in the year 1618 and it's a huge watchtower made out of limestone. After droning around the tower, we walked to the east to the Comino battery. Alright, so we have just walked all the way to the battery and it's really hot. I'm sweating like a pig. But yeah, we made it. This is the battery. It's not that big. It's kind of nice to just be. But I think it's another 40 minutes to walk back towards the Blue Lagoon, which I'm going to do right now. I've checked out the south side of the island now, and now I'm going to the north side. But it was kind of cool to experience. From the battery we walked back and of course tagged the place with some stickers. After that it was time to enjoy the Blue Lagoon. Alright, so there you have Comino, and now I'm swinging towards this side to explore the cave. And right over there you have the tower that went. And now I'm just trying to swim with one hand. Thanks so much for watching the last episode of the Malta series. In the next video I will show you all the drone shots that I took while on Malta. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.